Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to log into your Metatrader 5 account. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Metatrader 5 application on your computer. Once the application launches and you see the main interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar. You'll see several options there and you need to click on File. This menu is where you'll find all the essential account management features and trading options. After clicking on File, a drop-down menu will appear with various options. Look for the option that says Log in to Trade Account and click on it. This will open a new login window where you can enter your credentials and access your trading account. Now, in the login window that appears, you'll see fields where you need to input your login username and password. Go ahead and enter your account credentials carefully. Make sure you type them correctly to avoid any login errors. This information was provided to you when you first created your Metatrader 5 account or received it from your broker. Next, you'll notice a field labeled Server. Click on this drop-down menu if you need to select a different server from the list. Your broker typically provides you with the specific server name you should connect to, so make sure to choose the correct one if you have multiple server options available. This ensures you're connecting to the right trading environment for your account. Once you've entered your username, password, and selected the appropriate server, click the OK button to proceed. The application will now connect to the server and authenticate your credentials. This process usually takes just a few seconds, and that's it. You've successfully logged into your Metatrader 5 account, and you're now ready to start trading or monitoring the markets. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.